Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this M4 Ngrs build. This one has got, we've come in for accuracy and tests and a service. We've done those with, and we fit FPS piston, Prometheus piston head. We've fit the Gates Titan. It's already got a warhead in there, the low speed one. It's got the, we've fit Prometheus Gears and Prometheus Bearings, and we're now ready for testing. Oh, it's got the R-hop as well. We fit that on there. And we've range test and we're happy with the accuracy enough to pass it. So we're just now we're chronoed 350 on 0.2s and we're now ready for testing. So just to demonstrate it working. There we go, all done and back together. We copied the original wiring for CTR socket and we copied your original mini Tamiya, so hopefully that's correct. Yeah, there was no specification on there otherwise, so but yeah, hopefully we're all ready, and any problems just let us know, but we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.